Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to download Dropbox application on your smartphone whether you are using Android or iPhone. First of all, unlock your device and then open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, type in Dropbox. Look for this application from Dropbox Inc. and then tap on the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app. Wait for a couple of minutes, and once the application is installed, tap on the Open button to open up Dropbox on your smartphone. Now that the Dropbox application is installed, you can go ahead and log in with your Google, Apple, or continue signing up with email according to your need, and then after you are done, you can upload files, access your documents, and share folders anytime, anywhere, right from your pocket. So that's how you easily install Dropbox application on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.